Good morning all. Welcome all of you. Good morning all. Welcome all of you. So today's topic is number series or series formation chapter. A very interesting chapter. So invite your friends to be part of this live lecture, or us recording also they can watch if you share the link with them. Let more people be part of this initiative. This is an initiative where you can get free classes of all topics of UPSC CSAT, 40 lectures, 30 minutes each. So the entire quantitative aptitude and reasoning topics are covered in the series. There is another series which we are going to start for comprehension. You can check out that playlist in this channel. So for comprehension also, so that the entire CSIR CSAT syllabus will be covered in this channel. So do invite your friends to be part of the series. That is a gentle request to all of you. And this series is not only limited to CSAT. For other exams also, this series will serve as a practice series, because the questions we are discussing or the concepts we are discussing is common for other exams like CSIR NET, GATE exam and other aptitude tests. So all of you are welcome to be part of the series. For the new people, my name is Christy Varghese. I have trained more than 2 lakh aspirants in the last 10 years for different competitive exams. And also these are the books I have written, and these are the courses I offer. Complete course for CSIR NET, 3 months, 6 months and 1 year validity is available. And flashcards that I am showing in the class, that is available as an ebook. Till your exam, the ebook is available at a nominal price. So if you want it as a single ebook, you can purchase it. Otherwise, in the class itself, I am showing you most of the ebooks topic by topic. CSIR NET aspirants, this is the details of the complete course. And in this complete course, 60 recorded videos and free online study materials worth ₹500 is available, and together the price is just $749 for 3 month subscription. In this course, complete theory, previous year questions, practice questions, shortcut tricks, exam hacks, mock test, everything is included in a single course. That is why it is called a complete course. So the demo videos are available in the mobile application Christy's classes. You can contact in this number if you have any doubts regarding this course. So that is about the course for CSIR NET exam. For GATE exam also, we are starting a course from first week of July. So those of you want to be part of the GATE course also can join. And these are the free resources we provide as part of our Christy's classes. So the website christyvarghese.in, there you can find free materials, and Telegram channel, WhatsApp group and mobile application Christy's classes. You can scan these QR code or check the description. Check the description. You can find the links to access these groups. And there is a dedicated Telegram channel for this playlist. All topics of this playlist, the practice questions and other study material are available in that Telegram channel. There is an associated Telegram group also where you can post your doubts. And check out the other playlist in this channel for more learning and more practice. And speed matrix also are explained in this different playlist. And UPSC aspirants, you can check out this playlist for UPSC CSAT. There are shortcut techniques, tips and tricks, and also previous year questions. Previous year questions of 2023, 22, 21, 20 are already uploaded. We will be uploading more previous year questions in the future. So that also you can check out. Okay, so in this course, this is a 36th lecture. There is 4 more lectures in the series. So let us start. Number sequence or number series means sequence of numbers. Sequence means comma separated list of elements. Sequence sometimes is called a series, but mathematically it is called sequence. But in competitive exams, the term series is more popular, even if series is something different. For sequence, the term series is used in competitive exams. In question paper also you can see this term series. So when I am saying sequence or series, please understand I mean the same thing itself in this chapter. So the major type of number sequence I will tell you. First one is arithmetic sequence. With this flashcard itself you will understand it. I have elaborated, or I have in brief I have mentioned all the things needed for number sequence in this flashcard only. So first is arithmetic sequence. Arithmetic sequence means a sequence which follow arithmetic progression. For example, if 17 is the first term, adding 4 you will get 21, adding 4 25, adding 4 25, 29 plus 4. So 33 plus 4. What is the next term? All of you can mention for each of these sequence. For the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, all the 11 sequences you can find what is the next term. So 33 plus 4, 37 will be the next term. All of you clear? So arithmetic sequence means one common difference. There should be a common difference or a common number is added to the first term to form second term and second term to form third term and so on. So geometric sequence means it follows a geometric progression. Assume a first term, then multiply it by a common number. There is a common number that is multiplied. 2 into 3 is 6, 6 into 3 is 18, 18 into 3 is 54, 54 into 3 is 162. So the next term will be what? 162 into 3. 160 into 3, 180, so 162 into 3, 186. So 186 will be the next term. Is it clear? Arithmetic sequence and geometric sequence. If you want more explanation, I have given here more examples of arithmetic sequence also. Arithmetic sequence means adding a fixed number. For example, 3, 7, 15, 11, 15, so 19 will be the next term. 1, 6, 11, 16, 21. So here plus 4, here plus 5. But the common number added can be a negative number also. Here minus 2 is added. Minus 2 is added means 2 is subtracted. Negative addition is subtraction. 10 minus 2, 8, 8 minus 2, 6, 6 minus 2, 4, 4 minus 2, 2. Or it can be a fraction value that can be added or subtracted. 2.3, 2.6, 2.9, 2.3.2 means 0.3, 0.3, 0.3, 0.3, 0.3 is added. 3.5. Due to lack of time, I am just briefly mentioning it. Please mention if you are completely clear about it. Or tell me whether you are clear by answering these questions. These all are arithmetic sequence. Tell me the next term for each of the questions. So, in this chapter, there are 3 types of question mainly that can be asked. Either the question will be asking what is the next term, or the question will be asking what is the missing term, or the question will be asking which is the wrong term, or to correct the wrong term. That are the 3 major types in which the questions can be asked. Okay, very good. Some of you got the first one. 12, 19, 26, 33. Take the difference and see. 7 is the difference. So 33 plus 7, 40. So common difference 7 is added. So here common difference 4 is minus 4 is added or 4 is subtracted. So 5 minus 4, 1. Here 5 is subtracted. So 25. Here 0.5 is added. So 5.1 plus 0.5, 5.6. Here 0.05 is added. If you are having doubt with regarding adding decimal values or subtracting decimal value, think in terms of money, then it will be super easy. 4.85 is like 4 rupee 85 paise, na? 4 rupee 85 paise. 4 rupee 85 paise, and what is 4.9? 4 rupee 90 paise, na? So 5 paise is the difference. 5 paise in decimal number system it is written as 0.05 rupees, not 0.5. That is 50 paise. So 0.05 is a common difference, not 0.5. 4.9 means 4.90. 4 rupee 90 paise plus 5 paise is 4 rupee 95 paise. 4 rupee 95 paise plus 5 paise is 5 rupee. 5 rupee plus 5 paise is 5 rupee 5 paise. So plus 5 paise is 5 rupee 10 paise, that is 5.1. So that way you can add. So it can be common number added, that is positive number or negative number or a fraction number. Keep that in mind. Same in the case of geometric sequence also. It can be a common number multiplied. It can be 2 positive number. Then it will be 48 next term. Or negative number minus 4 can be multiplied. 10 into minus 4 minus 40. Minus 40 into minus 4 plus 160. Minus into minus is plus na. 160 into minus 4 minus 640 into minus 4. Minus into minus plus, so 64 double, 128 double, 256, so 2560 and so on. Or it can be a fraction also. It can be a fraction means here half is multiplied. Half is multiplied to get the next term. All of you are understanding? So 128 into half, 64 will be the next term. So positive number added, positive number multiplied, negative number multiplied, or fraction number multiplied. All these are possible. More examples you can see here. You can try it later in half an hour to complete theory and previous year questions. To skip these practice things. You can check out other videos in this channel on this topic where I have elaborated this even more. Okay, so geometric sequence is clear. Then arithmetic and geometric sequence you can combine to form arithmetico-geometric and geometrico-arithmetic sequence. What does that mean? Arithmetic means addition. Geometric means multiplication. So arithmetico-geometric means first addition then multiplication. Assume the first term randomly, then you are adding a common number and then multiplying by a common number to get the next term. 2 plus 2 is 4. That 4 into 3 is 12. 2 plus 2 into 3. 4 into 3, 12. Same way, 12 plus 2 is 14. 14 into 3 is 42. So here what we have done is A is 2 and B is 3. A is 2 and B is 3 in this example. 42 plus 2, 44 into 3 is 132. 132 plus 2, 134 into 3 is 402. So what will be the answer? 402 plus 2 into 3 will be the next term. That is 404 into 3, 1212 will be the next term. All of you are understanding what is arithmetic or geometric sequence? It's the combination of arithmetic and geometric sequence. So practice this, then you will be more clear. Try to create your own examples. That is the best way to learn this chapter, because then you will think more about it and you will be more confident. So arithmetic or geometric sequence, you added a common number then multiplied by a common number. In geometric or arithmetic, you multiply by a common number then add by a common number. Multiply by a common number means, for example, 3 into 2 is 6 plus 1 is 7. 3 into 2 plus 1, 7. 7 into 2 plus 1 is 15. 15 into 2 plus 1, 31. 31 into 2, 62 plus 1, 63. So 63 into 2 plus 1 will be the next term. That is 127. So in this example, multiplication is done by 2. 2 is the number to be multiplied with and 1 is the number to be added with. Instead of 2 and 1, it can be any other number also. All of you understood what is geometric or arithmetic sequence? So arithmetic or geometric and geometric or arithmetic are just two variations of arithmetic and geometric sequence itself. Speaking of variations, there can be other variations also. I will come back to that. Before that, we will discuss about these two sequences also. Prime sequence and power sequence. Prime sequence means sequence of prime numbers. In number system chapter, we have discussed about prime numbers in detail. What are prime numbers? Numbers which have only two factors, one and that number. So consecutive prime numbers written, that is called prime sequence. For example, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41. 23 is a prime. Next prime after 23 is 29. Next prime is 31. Next prime is 37. Next prime is 41. So next prime after 41, 43. How to identify prime and all we discussed in that chapter already. And a flashcard also I have given in that chapter to understand that. So prime sequence is clear now. Consecutive sequence of prime numbers. Now power sequence. Power sequence means squares of numbers or cubes of numbers, etc. For example, look at it. 3 cube, 4 cube, 5 cube, 6 cube, 7 cube. So 8 cube, 64 should be the next term. Sorry, not cube, sorry, square. 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, 6 square, 7 square, 8 square, 64 should be the next term. Instead of that, it can be cube also. 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube, 5 cube, 6 cube, then 7 cube should be the next term. All of you are understanding? So that is power sequence. So these 6 sequences now, these I hope all of you understood it. In this, these 4 sequences are most important because manipulating that sequence you can create more sequences. Like I showed you, arithmetic and geometric can be together added to form arithmetico-geometric and geometrico-arithmetic. So these variations of sequences are very important. Variations of sequences means, I'll come to that. We will discuss these 3 also, then we will discuss about variations of sequences. So the first 6 sequences, that 6 sequences itself, using that you can form other sequences like reversal two-tier twin sequence. Reversal sequence means just the terms are reversed to form the pattern. Like 52, 63, 94, 46, 18 hai. 52 reverse is what? 52 reverse is 25. 63 reversed is 36. 94 reversed is 49, 64 reversed is 46, 46 reversed is 64, 18 reversed is 81. Look at these terms, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81. That is a power sequence, na? 5 square, 6 square, 7 square, 8 square, 9 square. So after 9 square it is 10 square, 100. So 100 reverse 0, 0, 1 will be the next term in the given sequence. 0, 0, 1. Exactly, Ash. You have to create your own examples, then it will be easy to understand. So reversal sequence means reversing any of these sequence, arithmetic or geometric or prime or power. Arithmetic or geometric, arithmetic can also be reversed, but that kind of question will be very complicated that it will not be asked in exam. But arithmetic, geometric, prime, power can be reversed. So here, if you want more examples, again, lack of time, that is why I am not explaining each slide more elaborately, because we have to discuss questions also. So I'll do one thing, today's topics, this PDF also I will share in the group so that you can refer it. This theory you can learn more about it. In our Telegram channel I will share this theory PDF. So reversal sequence, more examples you can see here. In reversal sequence, reversing each term. So 71 reversed is 17. This is 20, this is 23, this is 26, this is 29. What are that? What is that? That is arithmetic sequence. Now 3 difference arithmetic sequence. So 29, next term is 32. 3 difference. So 32 reversed, 23 will be the next term in this original sequence. So arithmetic sequence can be reversed, geometry can be reversed, prime can be reversed, power can be reversed. Here a geometric sequence is reversed. Yeah, when you see numbers like 0 starting or 0, 0 starting, you can think that most probably it will be reversal sequence, because otherwise what is the purpose of writing 0, 0 or 0 before a digit? So I hope all of you understood what is reversal sequence. More examples for you to try. When you share this PDF, you can use this to try. Next sequence is 2-tier sequence. In 2-tier sequence, difference follows a pattern. For example, 1, 4, 10, 19, 31. 1 and 4 difference is 3. 4 and 10 difference is 6. 10 and 19 difference is 9. 19 and 31 difference is 12. This is an arithmetic sequence. Now, difference of successive terms follows a pattern. And that pattern can be arithmetic or geometric or prime or power, which we discussed already. Another example, 5, 12, 23, 36, 53. If you take the difference 7, 11, 13, 17. This is prime number pattern. Next prime number after 17 is 19. So 53 plus 19 should be the next term. That is 72. Yeah, here the next term is 31 plus 15, 46. All of you are understanding? So this is a 2-tier arithmetic sequence. This is a 2-tier prime sequence. And next example you can try yourself, and these examples also you can try yourself. Next is twin sequence. Twin sequence means 2-in-1 sequence. 2-in-1 sequence. The best way to understand twin sequence is look at my hands. This is one sequence, this is another sequence that is twinned like this. Twinned like this means, look at this. This 1, 6, 11, 16 alternate terms follows one pattern. 1, 6, 11, 16, that is arithmetic sequence. Now, this arithmetic sequence with a common difference of 5. And 0, 3, 6, that next set of alternate terms, that will follow another pattern, another arithmetic sequence with common difference 3. So here 2 arithmetic sequences are twinned into, but it can be other sequences also twin. For example, 3, 6, 12, 24, that is a geometric sequence, into 2, into 2, into 2. So 24 into 2, 48 will be the next term. 1, 4, 7, 10, that is an arithmetic sequence with a common difference 3. So arithmetic and geometric are twinned together. More examples you can see here. Hope all of you understood what is twin sequence. So these are the major sequence you should know. Now the variations, more variations actually are possible. I will give you some idea of the variations that can be asked. Variations means these sequences which we discussed till now. These are the major 7 sequences. We have discussed 9 sequence already. This arithmetic, geometric, geometric, arithmetic. But that is not commonly asked. Commonly asked are 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Fibonacci and C and L, if you want, you can read it and understand from this flashcard. That is not commonly asked. So what is commonly asked, we will discuss. So the variations of this commonly asked sequence is also important. For example, prime power sequence, consecutive powers is what we discussed. But if they want to trick you, instead of consecutive powers, successive numbers powers, it can be alternate numbers powers also. Like this 1636 deleted. This is 3 square, then 5 square, then 7 square, then it should be 9 square 81. Are you getting the point? Or instead of the square or cube, subtracting 1 or adding 1 to the squares. Instead of 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 8, 15, 24, 35, 48. That means after squaring it, you subtracted 1 from each number. So this is 7 square minus 1. So 8 square 64 minus 1, 63 will be the next term. So that kind of variations are also possible. Keep that in mind. And arithmetic and geometric arithmetic are just variations of arithmetic and geometric sequence itself. Okay, now with questions I will show you more variations and more clarity you will get. We'll start with few previous year questions and few tips and tricks to identify sequences faster. I have mentioned here, that also you can read later. I will add this slide for your easy learning. This was a 2022 previous year question. All of you make a try. We will do 5 or 6 questions super fast. These questions does not take much time. That is a good thing about this chapter. Much time means sometimes you may not get it, but at least you will understand that you should skip the question faster, because to read the question it won't take much time. So try it super fast and answer in the chat or in the comment section, those of you are watching me recorded video, watching this recorded video. Okay, so I'll explain. So here it's a variation of a sequence we discussed. Instead of multiplying a common number, you are multiplying a pattern of numbers, or you are multiplying an arithmetic progression actually. Look at this. 20 into half, taking half of 20 or multiplying 20 by half, you will get 10. 10 into 1 is 10. 10 into 1 and half, that is 3 by 2 is 15. 15 into 2 is 20. It's 30. 30 into 2 and half, that is 5 by 2 is 7.5, 75. 75 into 3, 225 will be the answer. Now many of you may be thinking how we identify it. You have to divide numbers and check. Geometric sequence also, if it is complicated, you can divide successive numbers and see whether there is a common ratio. 10 by 20 is 1 by 2. This is not a geometric sequence, that is why there is no common ratio, but ratio follows a pattern. 10 by 10 is 1. Then 15 by 10. 15 by 10, when you cancel the common terms, you will get 3 by 2 or 1 and half. 3 by 2 mixed fraction is 1 and half. Na? Then 30 by 15, if you divide, you will get 2. Na? Are you understanding? Half, 1, 1 and half, 2, then 2 and half, 3. So 75 into 3 should be 225, or x by 75 is 3. So 75 into 3 will be the answer. Option D. 2022 this was asked. Is it clear to all of you? Please respond. That was a variation of geometric sequence. Then try the next question. 2022, one more question. Try it super fast. I'll give you 30 seconds only because I want to discuss 5 or 6 questions today from this chapter so that you are completely clear with this topic. Okay, so I'll start explaining what is the value of x in the sequence 2, 12, 36, 80, 150. So I'll give you some hints how to identify sequences faster. That is actually I have written it in that tips and tricks slide also. So look at this, 2 is growing to 12, there is a difference of 10. 12 is growing to 36, the difference is 24. So the difference of 10 suddenly jumped up to 24. Then the difference is even more. What I am trying to say is, when you see the difference of terms, that itself will give you a clarity. When I am saying difference, you don't have to exactly find the difference. You just have to look at the numbers and see how much it is growing. So this is growing in an exponential fashion. That exponential fashion means in a graph it will be like this, not a linear fashion. So that means there is a multiplication involved. There is high chance that there is a multiplication involved. To identify whether the multiplication is involved, just like previous question, taking ratio is very important. Here also there is an exponential increase. 10, then 0 difference, here minus 10 difference, then 0 difference, then 5 difference, 15 difference, 45 difference, etc. So here also difference is exponential. So take the ratio and see, 12 by 2, 36 by 12. Likewise, you take the ratio, then let's see whether there is any pattern there. 12 by 2, 6, 36 by 2, 3, 80 by 36, let's see if there is any pattern there. I am taking these two numbers ratio, these two ratio, these two ratio. 80 by 36, when you cancel by common term 4, you will get 20 by 9. 20 by 9, again, we are not seeing patterns. So that means something else is there. Again, you have to trial and error different patterns. That is the thing. Okay. So we are not getting a common ratio. Then exponential increase, there is one more possibility. If squares or cubes are there or power is there, then also there is an exponential increase possibility. Na? For example, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25, 6 square 36, etc. This difference is just 5. Then 7, then 9. The increase, it is getting increased. Na? So when squares or cubes are there, there is chance that this kind of an increase is happening. This question is actually a really tricky question. Because this 2 is a combination of 1 square and 1 cube. 1 square plus 1 cube is 2. This 12 is similarly 2 square plus 2 cube. Check it out. 2 square 4 plus 2 cube 12. This 36 is 3 square plus 3 cube. Similarly 4 square plus 4 cube, 5 square plus 5 cube. So 6 square plus 6 cube is the correct answer. Look at this slide if you have any doubt. I totally agree, in exam hall thinking this much and getting this idea is not that easy. That's why I told you variations of the sequences we discuss now is possible. So we discussed about squaring numbers, cubing numbers. Here both of them are added together. That it is not that easily recognizable. So seeing more and more questions, you will get an idea. Okay, these are the different ways questions can be asked. That will give you confidence to identify the sequence faster. So 2021 another question, let's see. Try this question. Here the clues are given in the question. That is a good thing. So try this. Okay, so I'll explain. Replace the incorrect term. As I told, next term, missing term or incorrect term also can be asked. Replace the incorrect term by the correct term. There is a clue given. Odd terms and even terms follow a same pattern. That is what we learned as twin sequence. Twin sequence. So the question directly say the clue that this is a twin sequence. That means 2, 4, 10, 18, 28, 40 follows a pattern. What pattern? If you take the difference 2, 6, 8, 10, 12. 2, 6, 8, 10, 12. There is a problem. 6, 8, 10, 12 are an arithmetic progression. But this 2 being here, there is a problem with that. Maybe that is due to the incorrect term. If you delete this 2 and make it 4, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, that is a proper arithmetic sequence. How to make this 4? By making the difference 4. That means instead of this 2, this should be 0. That is, replace the incorrect term by correct term, replace the incorrect term 2 by the correct term 0. So option A is the answer. How many of you understood this? Yeah, in the odd terms also you can see the pattern. Due to lack of time I haven't mentioned, but you can observe it. 3, 7, 13, 21, 31, 43 also you can see the pattern. 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So that also follows 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So this also should follow 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 difference. So twin sequence, in the twin sequence, two tier sequences are there. 2 tier means differences follow a pattern. Are you all understanding? So option A is the correct answer. We have corrected the incorrect term. If the question was asking which is the incorrect term, 2 will be the answer because this 2 is the incorrect term. But the question says replace it by the correct term. So 0 should be replaced. Replace 0 and analyze this pattern. You will get idea easily. This even term pattern and odd term pattern both follow a 2-tier sequence with an arithmetic progression of 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. That is the idea. 2021 this was asked. This was a 2019 problem. Answer it super fast. Like a rapid fire, now we will discuss few questions, otherwise we cannot complete all questions that I have planned. What is x in the sequence? So here the numbers are decreasing and there is an exponential, there is no exponential decrease, the decrease range is smaller only. Range is smaller only. So if you look at the differences, you can see 3 difference and 5 difference and 7 difference, 9 difference, 11 difference, not 9, 11 difference, 13 difference. 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 are prime numbers. Now, so this is a 2-tier prime sequence. 2-tier prime sequence because differences follows a prime sequence pattern. Negative of primes. So next it should be 13. After 13 next prime is 17. So 93 minus 17, 76 will be the answer. First term 132 minus 3 minus 5 minus 7 minus 11 minus 13 minus 17. So 76. Is it clear to all of you? How option C? One more question in 2019 this was asked. We have discussed this type of sequence already in the beginning of the class. Due to lack of time I will explain. So another trick I want to tell you is when the numbers jump up and down, there is chance that it is a reversal sequence or a twin sequence. Jumping up and down means 4 is increasing to 196, then decreasing, then increasing, then decreasing, then increasing, decreasing, jumping up and down. So twin sequence or reversal sequence normally jump up and down. Other sequences, exception cases are there where they can jump up and down, but normally twin sequence, reversal sequence. So you can check for twin sequence or reversal sequence. 4, 16, 36, 64, let us understand the pattern. This is 2 square, 4 square, 6 square, 8 square. Yeah, a variation of square sequence, no? Alternate squares. And what is this 100? The other terms, 100 is 10 square, this is 12 square, this is 14 square. Yeah, some of the squares you should know. In my YouTube channel, I have given us, in this YouTube channel, I have given a speed map trick to find squares faster. So 10 square. So by that pattern, 2, 4, 6, 8. 14, 12, 10. Then this should be 8 square, 64. Na? All of you are understanding the pattern. 8 square, 64 it should be. So twin sequence, and in the twin sequence, variations of square or power sequence is asked in both the odd position and even position. Then 2021, one more question. 2023 they haven't asked, but 22, 21, 20, 2019, all years they have asked question from this chapter. Here you can see an exponential increase, 5 difference, then 20, 15 difference, then 45 difference, and so on. So there is a chance that there is a multiplication or power involved. So take the difference and see. 2 and 7, 5 difference, 7 and 22, 15 difference, 45 difference, 135 difference. Look at this. This is a geometric pattern. 5 into 3 is 15. 15 into 3 is 45. 45 into 3 is 135. So 135 into 3. 135 into 3 will be 405. 405. 405 should be the next difference. So 202 plus 405. 202 plus 405 is 607. 607, option C. All of you understood? This question, one way of solving is this. A two-tier geometric sequence, this is called. Two-tier geometric sequence. Another way is this can also be interpreted as a geometric arithmetic sequence. Yaad hai? Do you remember geometric arithmetic sequence we have discussed already? Multiplying by a common number and then adding by a common number. So 2 into 3 plus 1, 7. 7 into 3 plus 1, 22. 22 into 3 plus 1, 67. 67 into 3 plus 1 is 202. 202 into 3 plus 1 is 607. Now some of you may be doubting if answer or if two methods applicable for one question, then which to do. If whichever you do, you will get the same answer. Or any two-tier geometric sequence can be made in the form of geometric arithmetic also, and vice versa. Any geometric arithmetic sequence can be converted to a two-tier geometric sequence also, because that is just variations of arithmetic and geometric sequence only. This was a 2015 question. Like to hear from all of you. Did you understand the concepts clearly? In brief, normally this topic I take in 2 hour duration. The 2 hour duration content I am shrinking into half an hour. So it was a little faster, but hope you all understood it. For this chapter I will give you the study materials also, so that you can use that to understand the concept. I'll share this PDF in our Telegram channel, and you can ask your doubts in the associated Telegram group. New students, you can be part of our Telegram channel. The link is given in the description of the video. And if you felt the session is useful, do hit the like button. That is one gentle request to all of you. Some people, I don't know why they hesitate to, they attend all the sessions, but they don't want to do any interaction in the video. Yeah, that is fine. You can continue attending the series, but if you feel the session is useful, do let us know, because that will help YouTube also to recommend this video to maximum people, and that way I will also be motivated to come up with more such free initiatives. As I have told many times, this is a completely free initiative without any monetary aspect. Even the monetization of the channel is also I have disabled it for this playlist till your exam time, so that you people can have a seamless learning experience without any ads from YouTube or anything. Okay, so find the missing number in the series 7 x 21 31. So here it's a two-tier arithmetic sequence itself. If you look at the last 3 terms, 21 plus 10 31, 31 plus 12 42. So that is 10 difference, 12 difference. So this should be 8 difference by that pattern. For that, this should be 13. Then this should be 6. So 6, 8, 10, 12 will satisfy if 13 is the number here. Yeah, here 5 numbers, 4 numbers only given. That was actually a challenge, or that is given to confuse you. But if you put the options, you will get clarity. You can put each options and then you will get a little more clarity. So more such questions are given here. 2020, this was the question. As I told, last 5 years, except 2023, all years questions were there. Minimum one. Some years it was more than one also. So I'll share you this slide. So tomorrow we will discuss this type of question, number puzzle type of question. Not tomorrow, today 8:30 p.m. Next lecture live will be today 8:30 p.m. Number puzzle and series completion, both topic together we will take up in today 8:30 p.m. class. So there we will discuss these things. Okay, the things I taught you today, hope all of you understood it. And as I mentioned, if you want the flashcards which I have shown in the class as an ebook, you can get it from this mobile application. So if there is any doubts, any feedback, please mention in the live chat, those of you are watching live. Please mention in the comment section, those of you are watching the recording video. And once again reminding the CSIR NET aspirants about the complete course. This is the paid course in this platform where 60 videos of all topics, all general aptitude topics are covered. Complete theory, previous year question solution including the 2023 December exam solutions, along with shortcut tricks, exam hacks and practice worksheets and mock test also. A test series portal is also there where you can take mock test of aptitude section, and the course will be in English and Hindi and you can access it in mobile and laptop. Free online study materials will be part of this course. 100 flashcards, 50 topic wise PDFs, 50 practice questions and test series, and free demo videos are available in the mobile application Christy's classes. If you have any doubt, you can contact in this number. Now the 3-month subscription as a special exam offer, it is available at $749. Recorded videos, study material included, this will be the price. You can scan this QR code to access it, or you can download the mobile application and check the store section. So that is true, Shruti. Thank you for the good words, Shruti. But this chapter definitely you have to practice more so that you will get more clarity. I will share you more questions to practice so that it will be easier. GateNet में sequences. One second. GateNet में sequences get asked frequently. Ash, CSIR exam में sequences frequently आ रहा था, लेकिन last 2 years में sequences का question नहीं आया है, और 1 सब्जेक्ट में ही आया है, बाकी सब्जेक्ट्स में नहीं आया है. बट गेट में 2022 में एक क्वेश्चन था. एक्चुअली गेट नेट में ये चैप्टर से बहुत सारा क्वेश्चंस आया है, बट 2-3 इयर्स पहले ज्यादा क्वेश्चंस आ रहा था. अभी सीक्वेंसेस से क्वेश्चंस आ रहा है, बट लेटर और सिंबल सीक्वेंसेस से ज्यादा क्वेश्चंस आ रहा है. नंबर सीक्वेंसेस से भी ज्यादा, लेटर और सिंबल सीक्वेंसेस से ज्यादा क्वेश्चंस. दैट वी विल डिस्कस, then you will get clarity on that also, or separate videos on that topic is also mentioned in this are given in this YouTube channel. You can use that. Okay, so that's it. Today 8:30 p.m. we will meet up with the next lecture. Thank you all of you for attending the session. Have a good day. See you all on the next class.